Good morning, nasabi ni Idol.
Good morning, Madison T. Good morning, sunshine.
Yay!
Did you gargle na? Oh. Yung breath mo. What? Swimming pool look is so windy. Oo. Hangin, oh. Paano ka, swimming pool? Good morning, Day. Mag-gargle na ka, Day. Gargle ka na. Ano yun? Ayaw niya, Day. Takot yan sa murag.
Parang ka aswang, parang si Ate Bill.
Takot sa? Takot sa?
Camera.
Takot sa camera. O, sige na, mag-gargle ka na, Day. Wala ka pang, nag-camera na ka, Day. Gargle. Smell, yung, mo daw, Day. Naamoy nila, Day.
Paano?
Amoy nila. Sabi, smell bad si, ni Madi. Breath niya. Sige na, Day. Good morning ka na ulit, Day.
Good morning.
Wala na namang powers in, Day.
Good morning, nasabi ni Idol.
Idol ka, Day. What?
Your dad what?
Kasi,
You tell me.
kasi Idol Day ka.
Hindi na pwede na tadadayo ang dad mo. What?
Dye yung hair ko.
Oh, you speak in English na. I can't understand you in Tagalog, man. Your dad what?
He can't let me dye my hair ko.
I thought your dad, it's tai-tai siya.